Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LaunchDarkly for feature flags in apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for LaunchDarkly, which is www.launchdarkly.com. Once the page has loaded, locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you prefer, you can also check the Remember Me option for future logins. After filling in your credentials, click on the Login button. If your email and password are correct, you will be taken to the LaunchDarkly dashboard. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if needed. Once logged in, navigate through the dashboard to access your feature flags. Here, you can create, manage, and monitor feature flags for your applications. That's it. You are now successfully logged into LaunchDarkly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.